Welcome to the Quantum2Cosmic YouTube channel with me, Ollie. Whether you're at university studying physics, a passionate physics enthusiast, or just someone who loves to learn something new, you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll find lecture-style videos that cover a range of physics topics, from Year 1 undergraduate basics to advanced master's level concepts. My goal is to make physics accessible and enjoyable for anyone who wishes to uncover its beauty. Join me as we explore the wonders of the universe, break down complex theories, and solve intriguing problems together. For the most incomprehensibly minute waves, we will unravel the inner workings of the universe, building our way up to the most unfathomably large objects. Let's keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, physics is the key to unlocking the mysteries of the world around us. If you're excited to dive deep into the world of physics, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. In the meantime, stay curious and welcome to Quantum2Cosmic.